everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be planning the last week of February 2021, and I will be using this kit from Shop Villabeauttiful. It's the August 2019 VB kit, and I've been hoarding it forever. I took the main cover off for easy storage, but I think it's, I can't remember the name. Doesn't matter. I'm terrible with names, but it's the 2019 August one. So you have all of these beautiful nude colors with rose gold, and I think it's gonna be gorgeous at the end, or at least I hope so. I hope I do a good job with it. I love this page. This is the decorative page, and I love the quotes. So let's see how that works. I'm also pulling in two beautiful washis. The first one is from Simply Gilded. It's the Stardust on Blush Baby. And this is the Coffee Monsterz Co. From her latest, from the Advent calendar, which is the Book Lover. And I just have to have it. So that is it for today. Let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing I'm doing is putting down this beautiful washi in the color Blush Baby from Simply Gilded, and then the beautiful Coffee Monsterz Co. Reading washi. I don't know the name, but it's one that came with the Advent calendar, and it is a favorite for a lot of us. After that, I just put down all of the date covers, and again, this kit from Shop Villabeauttiful is from 2019, but it's just as lovely as any other kit. So after that, on Monday, I start writing down all of the things that I have for that day, and I'm using basically everything from the kit. All the icons are from the kit. I didn't pull anything from my personal stash aside from scripts. So Coffee Monday, and I layered some flags and the pens on the deco page to mark down that it was my work schedule, and I think it just looks so nice, especially on Wednesday. It looks so amazing. Put down a full box that says it's a beautiful thing when a career and a passion comes together, and it's true. I was very inspired at work on that week, so I decided to use this kit. My dog had surgery on that day, so I marked that with an important label as well as a half box to remind myself what time was the surgery, what time I had to drop him, which was 7 a.m. It was midnight, and another important thing that I put was this box that says important stuff, this bubble box from the kit, and I needed to buy some clothes, so I marked that down. My shopping shopping at Target with a speech bubble sort of sticker, and that was pretty much my Monday. And I think it just looks so nice. I'm impressed with how this week came along. On Tuesday, I again did my little layering with the flag, the pen, and I alternated dark colors of the pen colors, dark colors with lighter colors. There were 6 pens total on the deco page, so I used 5 of them. Worked from home, again put my full box on and added a half box with a script saying reminder, a script on the half box itself, to remind myself that I wanted to do the dishes and wipe my counters, because I didn't have the time to do that on the Monday because the puppy was in surgery and I was completely out of it. The puppy is doing great. It's been 2-3 weeks now, and he is all recovered. We're still keeping him on a cage because it's best practice, but I think both him and me are ready for him to be out of that cage. Added a today's checklist script from the kit and a long flag to mark down all of the things that I needed to do, which were a few personal things and also work things. And after I've done all of those things, I love using these long flags. I think they bring a different kind of checklist scenario to the planning. They add a different element to the spread. And although my sticker is very crooked there, and I do apologize for that, it just made it interesting to write down next to the flag. My handwriting, of course, doesn't help. If it was, for example, Helen's handwriting from the Coffee Monsterz Go, it would be way more pretty, but it is what it is. I am trying to improve my handwriting, and I was looking at pictures from my first spreads, and my handwriting did come so much, it became so much better for in the last 2 months. Still not good, but it's way better. So yeah, that says a lot. Anyway, the last sticker I put down was a Scoop Poop from Rose Colored Daze in black foil, or no foil. It's a clear sticker. Wednesday I put down the full box that says dream plus work equals success. And again did my layering, and this is where I think the layering was absolutely on point. With the trio of stickers, flags, and the pen. Put down a today header and a half box to mark down that it was the day to water my plants. But I also put down the deco from the mini sheet. I put the flower from the mini sheet, and it just made it look so nice. Marked down Call Mom with a cell phone from the deco sheet as well. And then I put down another label or another header to say don't forget, and I filmed a haul on that Wednesday. The haul is probably up already, so I'll link for you right now. And I've been filming and editing movies or YouTube videos for the past 3 days, so you're gonna see a lot of that on my next plan with me, because I just decided to do all at once, all of the hauls, all of the plan with me's that I haven't done in a while. They're all ready to go. They're probably up now, but they are scheduled, so you're gonna see a lot of new things on my channel. Thursday, I again did my layering, and again, I think it looks amazing. Added a big half box deco full box, a decorative full box, to mark down that, to use it as a checklist again. So I did a few things, a few personal things around about my gaming, and I'm just speeding up the writing everything because it's completely boring when I don't speed it up, so apologies for that. Anyway, on the Thursday, my shopping from Target finally got delivered. I did mark down again that it was clean litter tray with a heart and the script from Rose Colored Daze, and filmed another haul because that's what I've been doing for the past 3 weeks. Not that I have a lot to show, but I just didn't have the time to finish filming or finish editing or things like that, so it has been extended. Friday I put down my full box, and then I have label or a quarter box with a sticker that says finally, and then I did the layering with the pen and the flag, as I've been doing for the past 4 days. Put down a half box to mark that I needed to build furniture and move things around. I am changing my studio or my office, and I'm finally getting it to the point where I like it, so I just needed to mark that down, that it was an important day for me, because now it looks so nice, at least in my opinion. I did have a story on my Instagram to show it, so if you're interested, my Instagram is linked down below. Give me a follow so you can see all of the things that I'm taking pictures of and talking about and showing. I also did a distash that day. I distashed a lot of my washi and packed a few things for people that had already bought a few items from me that were I was waiting to receive it from America. So I've done the distash and I've packed things, and I also took a little bit of time to plan on that Friday, which was appreciated. On the Saturday, I slept in, which is very rare because the cats usually tend to wake me up really early, but I put down this flag on the Saturday with the little bow as layering and the script, slip in. I went to the post office to deliver all of those goodies, all of the distash things that I've done on the Friday, and then I filmed and edit another plan with me and another haul. So I've been playing catch up for a while now. The scripts that I used for film and edit are from Randy Dot Plans, my absolutely favorite writing and scripts. A quarter box to mark down that it was Litter Tray Day. Again, the script is from Rose Colored Daze. And finally, on Sunday, I used another layering of flag and a clock to mark down that it was Sleep In Day. And then I used a half box to mark down it was Water Plant Day. But I also added the decal from the kit, and I actually put it away from the past the edge, and I just cut that off, and also marked down that it was called Mom Day with an icon and a script. So you can see that I will cut off half of the half of the flower, but I think it looks really nice once it's, after the edge. All right, everyone, that is my plan with me for the end of February, and I absolutely love it. It looks amazing. I'm not a fan of rose gold foil. I do use it, but I prefer other foils, but this one looks so good. And I'm really happy to share it with you. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe and stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!